In the shadows of history, where the lines between myth and reality blur, there lies a brotherhood shrouded in secrecy and bound by an unbreakable bond. Today, we journey into the heart of this enigmatic world to uncover one of its most profound mysteries, the 5 points of fellowship. Welcome to The Library, where we unravel the threads of the unknown and bring light to the shadows of the past. Our story begins in the medieval stonemasons' guilds of Europe. These craftsmen, the architects of cathedrals and castles, formed exclusive societies to protect their skills and secrets. Over centuries, these guilds evolved into the Freemasons, a fraternal organization that now spans the globe, its members bound not by the trade of masonry but by ideals of brotherhood, morality, and a quest for knowledge. But what exactly is Freemasonry? It is a tapestry of rituals, symbols, and allegories, each designed to impart moral and ethical lessons. At its core, Freemasonry is about building a better self, and in turn, a better world. Among its myriad of rituals, one stands as a testament to the profound bond between its members, the 5 points of fellowship. Imagine, if you will, a ritual steeped in symbolism, where two individuals meet in an embrace that signifies more than mere camaraderie. This is the essence of the 5 points of fellowship, a ritual that embodies the closeness, support, and mutual respect Freemasons pledge to one another. But what are these 5 points? They are foot to foot, knee to knee, breast to breast, hand to back, and cheek to cheek or mouth to ear, each a symbol of the support and aid members promise each other. Let's delve deeper into these points. Foot to foot teaches the importance of walking side by side in life's journey, ready to support each other. Knee to knee symbolizes the readiness to offer aid and comfort in times of distress. Breast to breast represents the sharing of innermost thoughts, feelings, and secrets held in strict confidence. Hand to back signifies the pledge to support one another, both literally and metaphorically. Finally, cheek to cheek or mouth to ear underscores the importance of communication and the sharing of wisdom. Though uniquely Masonic, the values represented in the 5 points of fellowship resonate universally across cultures and societies. They remind us of the fundamental human need for connection, support, and understanding. In a world often divided, the 5 points serve as a beacon of unity and brotherhood. In today's fast-paced world, where true connection is often replaced with digital facsimiles, the 5 points of fellowship remind us of the importance of physical presence and genuine support. They challenge us to be there for one another, not just in times of convenience, but in moments of real need. As with any organization steeped in secrecy, Freemasonry and its rituals have not been without controversy. Critics argue that such secrecy fosters mistrust and speculation. Yet, Freemasons themselves see this privacy as a vital part of their tradition, protecting the sanctity and integrity of their rites. The influence of Freemasonry can be seen in the foundations of many Western societies. Freemasons were instrumental in the drafting of constitutions, the fight for liberty, and the fostering of philanthropy. Their legacy is not just in the grand temples they've built, but in the ideals they've embedded in the fabric of society. For many, Freemasonry is more than rituals and symbols, it's a journey of personal growth and understanding. It offers a path to explore moral and philosophical questions in the company of like-minded individuals. The 5 points of fellowship, in this regard, is not just a ritual but a manifestation of the commitment to live by these ideals. And so, we conclude our journey into the heart of Freemasonry, a journey that has taken us from the medieval guilds of Europe to the complex web of symbols and rituals that define it today. The 5 points of fellowship stand as a testament to the enduring bond between Freemasons, a bond that transcends time and space, uniting them in their noble quest for knowledge, morality, and brotherly love. In the grand tapestry of human history, the Freemasons weave a thread of mystery and enlightenment, challenging us to look beyond the surface and discover the deeper connections that unite us all. Thank you for joining us at the library, where history and mystery meet in the quest for understanding. Until next time, keep seeking, keep learning, and may your own journey be rich with discovery.
Did you know? The subscribe button is like the library's version of a chocolate chip cookie. Every time you hit it, a book on a library shelf gets an extra sprinkle of fairy dust. So, if you enjoyed this video and want to sprinkle some magic, don't forget to like and subscribe to our library channel.